Living in the city center of Perugia, there is always something to do. First, let's take a look inside of one of the apartments. Apartments have kitchens and dining areas to cook, hang out, or have a meal. Kitchens include everything you need to cook up breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Also, kitchens have areas to sit down and enjoy your meal. In each apartment, there is a washing machine with drying racks and clotheslines to dry your clothes. Once you step outside your apartment, there is everything you need. Everywhere you go, you will come across cafes, pizzerias, gelato, restaurants, markets, and music, giving you the authentic Italian experience.